Okay, the rod cell. Okay, the rod cell in the retina is sensitive to light of different intensity. This such as at night. So the rod cell function best. No matter is day or night, the rod cell is also functioning. It's just that the rod cell it can help us to detect very light that is at low intensity at night, so that we can see at night. Okay, so and then next is the cone cell. Cone cell in the retina is sensitive to light of high intensity to detect color. So that means that during the bright time, during the time that is bright, we can see color because of the cone cell. Okay, but at night when the light is very dim, the rod cell is the one that is functioning. So the rod cell enables us to see under very low light condition. Okay, now let's look at the structure of the eye. Okay, this part is very important, and all of the name of the different structure you must know. Okay, so we start from here. So this part, the outer layer, this thin layer outside here. Okay, this thin layer outside here. So this is called the sclera. Okay, and then under the sclera we have choroid. And then under there, inside here, this one, the red color one. Okay, the red color one, this one, this is the retina. Okay, retina. So inside here, under this, inside this retina is where we have the photoreceptor. Okay, so the photoreceptor, like just now we got learned that photoreceptor is consists of the rod cell and the cone cell. So the rod cell let us enable us to see no matter it's bright or it's dark, and then the cone cell enables us to see color. Okay, but the cone cell only function when the light is bright. Okay, that means at night when the light is dim, we cannot see. Okay, we cannot see color. So that's why at night time or at a place where it is dark, okay, the light is not bright, you cannot differentiate the color. You can see, but you cannot differentiate the color. Okay, so next is we have the yellow spot. Okay, this is the yellow spot. Inside this yellow spot is where we have a high concentration of the photoreceptor. That means in the yellow spot here, you have a lot of photoreceptor, much more photoreceptor compared to other area of the retina. Okay, and then here, this part here, this is the blind spot. Okay, this is the blind spot. This is called a blind spot. Okay, blind is, if you know, blind, it means that you cannot see. People that cannot see, where the eye got problem, cannot see, we call them blind people. Okay, 盲人 blind 盲 blind spot 盲点 okay, blind. Okay, buta, blind buta. So this spot is called the blind spot because here at this spot there are no photoreceptor. We don't have photoreceptor, so this part we call it the blind spot. Okay, no photoreceptor means that it cannot detect light. Okay, so all the impulse that are produced by the photoreceptor will send to the brain through this optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve. Okay, and then inside here we have liquid. Okay, inside here we have liquid, and this inside here is filled with liquid. All have liquid. So this liquid is called the vitreous humor, and this liquid is transparent. 这个液体是透明的。Okay, cecair di dalam ni yang dipanggil vitreous humor, ini adalah dia adalah lucina. Okay, dia macam jelly macam tu lah sebenarnya. Dia macam jelly. Okay. Okay, so next is here. This part is the what we call the ciliary muscle. Okay, this part is the ciliary muscle. Okay, so this ciliary muscle, the function of the ciliary muscle is um, is to control the thickness of the lens. Okay, this lens focus the light. Okay, the lens focus the light. So the ciliary muscle you see connect to the lens through the suspensory ligament. 这个 ciliary muscle 它连接过去这个 lens 这边，通过这个 suspensory ligament。So 当这个 ciliary muscle 它收缩的时候，它就会拉这个 lens， 它就会弄到这个 lens 变成比较薄。然后当它放松的时候，这个 ciliary muscle 放松，它就会弄到这个lens 会比较厚。这样的话就可以调那个光会集中在哪里一边。OK， 也就是说，当我们看远的东西、看近的东西的时候，这个 ciliary muscle 它就会收缩或者是放松来调这个 lens 的厚度. Okay, bila kita tengok objek yang jauh dengan objek yang dekat, ciliary muscle ini dia akan kecut, ini dia akan contract ataupun dia akan relax untuk tarik ataupun lepaskan yang lens ini. Jadi lens ini kita boleh kawal ketebalan dia. Okay, kalau ciliary muscle ini dia contract, dia kecut, jadi dia akan tarik lens ini dia akan jadi lebih nipis. Dan kalau dia relax, lens ini dia akan jadi lebih tebal. Jadi dia boleh kontrol cahaya itu dia tumpu di mana. Okay, tumpu di mana. Ini adalah sangat penting untuk bila kita lihat benda yang dekat dengan banding dengan benda yang jauh. Okay, seterusnya, okay, continue. After that is iris. Okay, iris, this is the iris. This iris control the pupil. Pupil is this hole here. Okay, the iris, okay, control the size of the pupil. If the iris contract, is a muscle also. If it contracts, so the pupil will become bigger, so more light can go in. 这个 iris 还是一种肌肉来的，如果它收缩这个 pupil 这个洞这个 pupil 是一个洞来的，所以这个 pupil 就变大 ，pupil 变大，进入的光就会比较多，那么你看东西就会比较亮，也就是说在亮的地方、暗的地方在亮的地方，这个 iris 它就会放松，它就会让这个 pupil 这个洞变小 ，OK， 这样的话进来的光就比较少，就不会伤到那个 retina。如果光太亮的话，会伤到 retina。所以在亮的地方，这个 pupil 就会变小 ，OK。然后当在你去暗的地方的时候，这个 iris 它就会收缩。那么这个 pupil 就会变大 ，pupil 变大，进入的光比较多，那么你在暗的地方也能够看得到啦。OK， jadi ini iris dia control size pupil ini. Okay, dia control size pupil. Bila iris ini dia kecut, pupil ini dia akan jadi besar. Bila iris ini dia relax, pupil ini adalah lubang, jadi pupil ini dia akan jadi kecil. Okey, ini adalah sangat penting bila kita bergerak daripada tempat yang gelap ke tempat yang terang ataupun dari tempat yang terang pergi tempat gelap. Jadi bila kita di tempat yang terang, cahaya itu adalah sangat kuat, sangat terang. Kalau cahaya itu terlalu terang, terlalu kuat, dia boleh mencederakan kita punya retina. Okey, dia boleh mencederakan kita punya retina. Jadi iris ini dia akan relax. Relax dia akan menyebabkan pupil ini dia jadi kecil. Bila pupil jadi kecil, cahaya yang masuk itu kurang. Jadi kita punya retina itu dia tak cedera lah. Okay? Tapi bila kita pergi tempat yang gelap, cahaya itu tak banyak. Cahaya tak kuat. Jadi iris ini dia akan kecut dan dia akan menyebabkan pupil ini jadi besar supaya lebih banyak cahaya boleh masuk. Jadi kita boleh lihat di tempat yang gelap. Okey, seterusnya kita lihat yang ini adalah lens. Okay, this is the lens. Okay, eye lens. Okay, this is the lens. Okay, so this lens control is the function of the lens is to focus the light. Okay, focus the light. Okay, so we go to the next one. This is the aqueous humor. Okay, aqueous humor. Okay, aqueous humor is a liquid lah. It's a liquid in front of here. So the function of aqueous humor also to help focus the light. Okay, help focus the light onto the lens. Okay, next is a pupil. And then the last one, this one is the cornea. Okay, is the cornea. Okay, so we look at this. This is from outside. Okay, to the front view of the eye. So this is called the eyelid. Okay, the eyelid, this skin, this piece of skin that can close your eye, open your eye. This is called the eyelid. Okay, so this one, the center here, this is the pupil. Okay, this is the pupil. So when you, like what we discussed just now, if you go to a dark place, then this pupil will open up. This pupil will become bigger so that more light can go in. Okay, next is this. This is the iris. Sorry, this is the sclera. Okay, the sclera, the white color one. The white color one is the sclera. And then this one is the iris. Okay, this is the iris.